I'm coming to you today from Anvil Analytics and Insights, and today I wanted to go over the importance of adding lowercase filters to your Google Analytics account. So here in this example, this is a real example from one of our clients. You can see that one of their pages, their careers page, is being reported in multiple different ways. One is all lowercase, one is all capital, some of them are mixed casings, and it's really all the same page, so they're unable to see its true performance in aggregate. So what we want to do in cases like this is go into our admin settings, and under the account column, we're going to go to all filters, and we're just going to add a lowercase filter so all of those page views come in and they're lowercase already. So our filter name will be lowercase request URI. Our filter type will be a custom filter. We're going to come down here and choose lowercase. Our filter field is going to be request URI. Now, if you're having this issue with sources or campaign names, mediums, things along those lines, you can go in and add a filter just like this for these dimensions as well. So from there, we're going to choose which views we want to add this to. We'll add it to both our reporting and testing view. But it's important to note that we're leaving one view completely unfiltered. That way, if you ever need to access that raw data, you have it. So make sure you leave that one view completely unfiltered. From there, you'll just go down to the bottom and click Save. So that's really all it takes is to fix that issue if you're seeing something like that in your Google Analytics account. If not, it's a great precautionary measure just to take, just to make sure that data is coming in as clean as possible. So we're going to be doing several more videos like this, just a couple tips and tricks for Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Google Data Studio. If you want to stay up to date on all of the latest topics that we'll be covering, come to our website and subscribe to our newsletter.